Hey, what's going on? This is Chef Carl from Cooking and Grilling with Carl. Welcome back to my channel. First and foremost, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. In this video, we're going to be making smash burgers on the Blackstone Griddle right after this. All right, let's go over the ingredients real quick. Right here I have some 85-15 ground beef. I typically use 80-20, but the supermarket didn't have it. I have some Martin's potato rolls, have some canola oil, have some Carolina Gold barbecue rub from McCormick Grill Mates. I have some bacon, some yellow American cheese. I have an onion, and a couple other things we're going to be using is some parchment paper. And one of the tools I'll be using, of course, is a spatula. All right, so that's all the ingredients for the smash burgers. All right, the first thing I'm gonna do is cut up my onion so I can saute it on the flat top grill. I'll be making this on my Blackstone, on my 22-inch Blackstone Adventure Griddle.
All right, y'all. So let me put one of these bad babies together. I'm gonna put a little bit of mayonnaise on mine. All right. A little bit on top. I typically make a sauce for this, but just wanted to keep it simple. Keep the video short. All right, so I'm gonna do a double cheeseburger, or shall I say a double smash burger. All right, 2 patties. All right, generous amount of caramelized onions. And a generous amount of bacon. You know what? Do a couple pickles as well. Should have put those on the bottom, but all right. Do 3 pickles just for a little tang. All right, there it is. Smashburger on the Blackstone grill. All right, here you go, everybody. This is a smashburger on the Blackstone grill, done by yours truly, Chef Carl from Cooking and Grilling with Carl. So I just want to thank you for watching another video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and make sure you hit the notification bell so you get notified when I upload more videos, and also smash that like button. On that note, I say God bless. Catch you on the next video. Peace.